Welcome back. As in my last video, I told you that we are going to learn some basic techniques to control your mind, to observe your mind. So today is that first video and first technique that is we are going to learn. Friends, our mind is like a lake. When there is nothing happening around that lake, the lake is stable. But suppose if you throw a stone in that lake, or some kind of small rock in that lake, the ripples will happen in that lake. And the ripples will be for movement. Similarly, friends, in our life, if certain kind of situation come in our mind becomes unstable. We lose our composure at that time. We think that these ripples or that moment, that difficult situation is going to last for a long time and I won't be able to come out of that. But as in the lakes, the ripples will go after some time. Similarly, friends, that difficult situation will also go from your mind. The difficult situation you actually think is not difficult at all, because that situation is happening outside and you are taking that situation inside. You are thinking that all the difficult situations which are happening outside is a part of me. You think that it is happening within me, not outside me. And that is where the problem lies. You think that it is going to last for a long time and I won't become out of that difficult situation. But it is not that case. As the ripples will last for a moment, similarly the difficult situation you are facing at that moment will also last for some moments. It will go. But if you are not aware of this knowledge, you will act crazy at that moment. You will give your impulsive reaction at that moment. And you completely miss that situation. Understand that these ripples are just for a moment. They are not going to last for a long time. These are temporary situations. So don't get your mind disturbed for such a small situations in your life. Always be the witness. Always be the observer. Suppose something difficult situation or a situation is happened which is disturbing your mind. Consider that situation is happening outside and you are standing along a cliff where the ocean is on this side and you are on this side. As the wave comes and goes, similarly the difficult situation or the situation which is disturbing your mind will also come and go. You just be the witness to that situation. Just be the observer. Consider that this will come and this will go. It is not going to last for a long time. It is just for a moment. Don't let your mind get disturbed due to these small situations or difficult situations. They are just ripples which are going to last for a fraction of second or for at least for few days. They are not going to last for your lifetime. You are here for a much bigger cause. Don't give impulsive reaction. Impulsive reactions are based on your emotions at that particular moment. Instead, give a responsive reaction. So friends, be the observer, be the witness to that situation. Don't indulge into it. Don't act crazy in that situation. Consider that this is just one ripple in my mind and it will not going to last for a long time. It is just for a few moments and it will go. And that is how you can control your mind. So this was a small technique, my dear friends. It takes practice. It is not going to happen in just 2-3 days. Keep practicing this small technique and you will be mastering it after few days. Thank you friends, and I will see you in my next video, and I will teach you the next technique to control your mind. Take care.